Asset Lifecycle Management. Squeeze more value out of every asset. Think of it like this: every piece of equipment you have, from a simple pressure sensor to a massive industrial robot, has a journey, a life cycle. ALM is all about managing that journey efficiently from the moment you acquire it to the day it's retired. Now, why should you care about ALM? Well, imagine you're running a factory with hundreds of machines. Each machine needs maintenance, might need parts replaced, and eventually will need to be replaced altogether. Without a proper system in place, things can get messy: unplanned downtime, unexpected costs, and even safety hazards. ALM helps you avoid all that by providing a structured approach to managing your assets. So what are the stages of this life cycle? Generally, it's broken down into a few key phases. Planning and acquisition. This is where it all begins. You identify the need for an asset, research your options, and decide what to buy. Think of it like buying a new car. You wouldn't just walk into a dealership and pick the first one you see, right? You'd consider your needs, budget, and compare different models. Same goes for industrial assets. Installation and commissioning. You've got your shiny new machine. Now it's time to get it up and running. This involves installation, configuration, and testing to ensure it's working as expected. It's like setting up a new computer. You need to install the software, connect all the peripherals, and make sure everything is functioning correctly before you can start using it. Operations and maintenance. This is where your asset spends most of its life doing its job. But just like your car needs regular oil changes and tune-ups, your industrial assets need maintenance to keep them running smoothly. This could involve routine inspections, preventative maintenance like replacing filters, or even more complex repairs. Think of your SCADA system constantly monitoring your PLC outputs, triggering alerts when a motor's vibration sensor readings go beyond the acceptable range. That's proactive maintenance in action, preventing a potential breakdown. Decommissioning and disposal. Eventually, every asset reaches the end of its useful life. Maybe it's become outdated, too expensive to maintain, or simply broken beyond repair. Decommissioning involves safely removing the asset from service, and disposal could involve selling it, recycling it, or even scrapping it. Think of it like retiring an old piece of equipment. You need to make sure it's properly shut down and disposed of responsibly. Now, how does all this tie into the technologies we often talk about like IoT and Six Sigma? Well, IoT sensors can play a huge role in monitoring the health of your assets in real time. Imagine having a network of vibration sensors on your critical pumps, constantly feeding data to your SCADA system. This allows you to detect anomalies early on, potentially preventing a costly breakdown. And Six Sigma methodologies can be used to optimize your maintenance processes, reducing downtime and improving overall efficiency. So there you have it. A quick overview of asset lifecycle management. It's a crucial aspect of any industrial operation, and understanding the different stages and how technologies like IoT and Six Sigma can be integrated can make a huge difference in your bottom line.